Audio Jungle.
Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am really missing you and our lovely school campus, Milestone School and College, very much. Let us pray together to get back our campus. I hope you will understand the lesson of this class and your good comments on the video gives us the inspiration, my dear.
Audio Jungle.
My dear students of class 6, today our chapter number 6 and chapter name Basic Concepts of Geometry. Let's start this chapter, my dear students. Today OCW number 60 and I am going to discuss all the MCQ from exercise 6.2 with explanation that will help you for your better understanding, and after that I will solve 14 number problem. Review of previous lesson. My dear students, in the last class you have discussed different types of quadrilaterals. Now I am going to ask you some questions. What is rectangle? Yes, can you tell me anyone? Thank you so much. Now I will show you what is rectangle. Now, my dear students, rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram with one right angle. Also, a parallelogram with all right angles is a rectangle. Let me show you the figure of the rectangle. As you can see in the adjoining figure, ABCD is a rectangle. So a rectangle is a parallelogram with one right angle. That means angle A in here is the one right angle. Also, a parallelogram with all right angles is a rectangle. That's why angle B, angle C and angle D also is a right angle in here, as you can see. Now, I'm going to discuss some properties of a rectangle. As you can see, lengths of any two positive sides are equal. AB equals to CD and BC equals to AD. As you can see from the figure, AB equals to CD and BC equals to AD. They are the opposite sides and now they are equal. All the angles are equal. That is, as you can see, every angles in here there is 90 degree. That's why DAB, this angle, angle BCD, this angle ABC, this one, and angle CDA, this one angle equals to 90 degree. That's why all the angles are equal. AC and BD are two diagonals bisect each other at O, as you can see from the figure, and you know bisect means equally divided. That's why AO equals to CO and BO equals to DO. And we can construct a rectangle by two identical set squares, my dear. So this is the thing about rectangle. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve all the MCQ from exercise 6.2, know about different angles, know about different triangles, know the measurement of different sides of triangle, know the sum of three angles of a triangle. Now, my dear students, exercise 6.2, number 1, fill in the gaps. There are 6 questions and I will solve it with explanation. The measure of a right angle is dash, my dear. The answer will be 90 degree. And this is the explanation, my dear. Measurement of a right angle is 90 degree. You can observe the figure that is right angle, and this is the 90-degree angle. So this is the measure of a right angle, my dear students, 90-degree, and this is important for you. Now exercise 6.2, number B, the measure of an acute angle is dash then that of a right angle. The answer will be less, my dear. Let us see the explanation. An acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. You can observe a figure, my dear students. You can see 62 degree, that is less than 90 degree, and that is the acute angle figure. So my dear students, this is question number B, and the measure of an acute angle is less than that of a right angle. Now question number C, the measure of an obtuse angle is dash than that of a right angle. The answer will be, my dear, greater. Yes, the measure of an obtuse angle is greater than that of a right angle. And this is the explanation, my dear. An obtuse angle has a measurement greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. You can see the figure, my dear students. Obtuse angle, that is 135 degree, greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degrees. So my dear students, this is the question number C. The measure of an obtuse angle is greater than that of a right angle, and you can see the figure, and I hope it is clear to you. Now number D, an angle of a right angle triangle is dash and the other two angles are dash angles. So my dear students, the answer will be answer 90 degree, that is an angle of a right angle triangle is 90 degree, and the other two angles are obviously acute angles, that is less than 90 degree. Let me show you the explanation. Observe the figure, my dear students. So this is the figure. ABC is a triangle. Angle A is 90 degree and the other two angle B is 50 degree, that is less than 90, and angle C is 40 degree, that is less than 90 degree. So these two angles are acute angles. So from the figure, my dear students, here A equals to 90 degree and the other two angles are acute, that is angle C and angle B less than 90 degrees. So this is the question number D, my dear students. An angle of right angle triangle is 90 degree and the other two angles acute angles, you can observe from the figure. Now question number E, dash triangle has an obtuse angle and dash acute angles. So the answer will be an obtuse angled triangle has an obtuse angle obviously and two acute angles. So let me show you the explanation. I hope you will understand more clearly. Observe the figure. So this is the figure, my dear students. Angle ABC, you can see angle A, that is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. That's why it is an obtuse angle. Angle A equals to 110 degree, and the other two angle, you can see, my dear, angle B, that is 40 degree, that means less than 90 degree, and angle C, that is 30 degree, that means less than 90 degree. So obviously these two angles are acute angles. So my dear student, this is question number E. An obtuse angle triangle has an obtuse angle and two acute angles, you can see from the figure. Now the last one, my dear students, if a triangle having all the angles less than dash is an acute angle triangle. So the answer will be 90 degree. Yes, my dear students, a triangle having all the angles less than 90 degree is an acute angle triangle. Explanation. A triangle having all the three angles acute is acute angle triangle. Let me show you a figure. Observe the figure. And this is the figure, my dear students. Angle ABC. These are the three angles from triangle ABC. So angle A, that is 40 degree, angle B, that is 75 degree, and angle C, that is 65 degree. All the angles in here are less than 90 degree. So we can call it is an acute angled triangle. So my dear students, this is the question number F. A triangle having all the angles less than 90 degree is an acute angle triangle. So this is the figure. I hope you understand clearly. Now, question number 2. Which country did the scholar Euclid belong to? Let me show you some options. These are the options: Italy, Germany, Greece, Spain. So answer will be, my dear students, Greece. The other question. What is the name of the book written by Euclid on the theme of geometry? Let me show you some options. First option is algebra, B is elements, C is geometry, D is mathematics. So the option B is the correct answer, my dear students. Elements, that is the book. So my dear students, which country did the scholar Euclid belong to? Which is very important, that is Greece. And what is the name of the book written by Euclid on the theme of geometry? That is Elements. You can see. So another question, my dear students. Number 4. In which century BC did Euclid put down the definition of geometric measurement processes and different procedures in his book Elements? Let me show you some options. These are the options: A 300, B 400, C 500, D 600. So my dear students, the answer will be A 300. So this is the question: in which century BC did Euclid put down the definition of geometric measurements process and different procedures in his book Elements? That is 300 is the correct answer. Now 9 number question. In the figure, angle AOB, you can see that is 90 degree. Now the options are A, angle AOC plus angle BOC, that is 90 degree. As you can see, AOC and BOC. Option number B, angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to angle AOB. And the option number C, angle AOC and angle BOC are supplementary angles. So the question is, which one is correct? Which one is correct? That means A 1, 2, B 1 and 3, C 2 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer will be 1 and 2. Let me show you the explanation. That is, here angle AOB equals to 90 degree. As you can see, my dear, angle AOB from the figure, you can see that is 90 degree. Or angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 90 degree. As you can see, if we divide the angle AOB, we can get angle AOC and angle BOC, that is 90 degree. So 1 is correct. Again, from the figure, angle AOB equals to, we can write down angle AOC plus angle BOC. So 2 is also correct, my dear students. 3 number, angle AOC and angle BOC not more than 90 degree. They are not supplementary angles. So 3 is not correct. That's why the option 1 and 2 will be correct answer. So my dear students, in the figure, angle AOB equals to 90 degree, and the options are, these are the 3 options. So which one is correct? We have seen that 1 and 2 is correct, and the explanation obviously from the figure, angle AOB we can write down angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 90 degree. That means angle AOC and angle BOC, not the supplementary angles. So the next problem, my dear, exercise 6.2, and this is the figure. As you can see in the figure, triangle ABC, angle BAC equals to 120 degree, BAC equals to 120 degree, and AD perpendicular to BC. This is the perpendicular angle sign, as you can see, my dear, right angle sign. So AD perpendicular on BC. Now answer question 10 to 12 in the light of the figure. So this is question number 10, my dear. Angle ADC equals to what? So angle ADC equals to what? We will find out. These are the options, my dear. 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. As you can see, the answer is 90 degree. Let us see this explanation. This is the explanation from the figure. AD perpendicular on BC. That's why we can write down angle ADC equals to 90 degree. So this is question number 10, my dear students, and on the light of the figure you have to answer the question number 10. Angle ADC equals to what? That is 90 degree. From the explanation, AD perpendicular on BC, so angle ADC equals to 90 degree. Now the next question, on the light of the figure, you have to answer question number 10 to 12. So 11 number question. What is the complementary angle of angle ABD? At first you have to know the complementary angle. So let us see the options. Angle ADB, angle CAD, angle BAD, angle ACD. The answer will be angle BAD. So let me show you the solution. Let me show you the explanation. At first you have to know what is complementary angle. This is the explanation, my dear. Since AD perpendicular BC, therefore triangle ABD is a right angle triangle. There is no confusion. Here angle ADB equals to 90 degree. As you can see, angle ADB equals to 90 degree. So other two angles are acute. Now angle ADB plus angle ABD plus angle BAD equals to 180 degree. As you know, the sum of the three angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. Already you have learned about this. Or the value of angle ADB, that is 90 degree. So angle ABD plus angle BAD equals to 180 degree. And if we exchange the side of this 90 degree, we will get angle ABD plus angle BAD equals to 90 degree. And if the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, they are complementary to each other. So that's why angle BAD is the complementary of angle ABD. That is the thing, my dear students. So the complementary angle of angle ABD is angle BAD. Now this is the question number 11, my dear students. What is the complementary angle of angle ABD? And you know the answer of already, angle BAD. And you know the process how to find out this, the value of this summation of these two angles. At first the sum of the three angles, that is 180 degree, and if we put down the value, we get angle ABD plus angle BAD equals to 90 degree. So if the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, they are complementary to each other. Now next question, that is in the light of the figure, you have to answer 10 to 12. Now 12 number question. Which one is a straight angle? The option is angle ADB, angle CAD, angle ACD, angle BDC. Now this is the explanation, my dear, and you know the answer. Angle BDC is the straight angle. Let me show you how we can get this angle BDC is a straight angle. From the figure, angle ADB, that is this one angle, and angle ADC, this one angle, if we add their value, we will get 180 degree. or angle BDC equals to 180 degree. Why? Because if we divide angle BDC, we can get angle ADB plus angle ADC. So we know one straight angle equals to 180 degree. So we can say angle BDC is a straight angle. So my dear students, this is question number 12, and the answer of question, what is the question? Which one is a straight angle? Angle BDC is a straight angle. So from the figure, we can see angle ADB and angle ADC equals to 180 degree. And instead of these two angles, we can write down angle BDC, and we know one straight angle equals to 180 degree. So this is the straight angle of angle BDC. Now, next question, my dear students. A line, there are some options, has no definite length, has no end points, has no definite breadth. Which one is correct? These are the options 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be A, my dear students, 1 and 2. Let me show you the explanation. So this is the figure of a line, my dear students. Observe the figure. It has no definite length. So 1 is correct, obviously. It has no end points. So 2 is correct, obviously. And 3 number is not correct because has no definite breadth. There is no discussion with the breadth in the line. So that is the thing of question number 13, my dear students. A line has no definite length, has no end points, and has no definite breadth. Which one is correct? You know, answer A is correct, 1 and 2. And I hope from the figure it is so much clear that observe the figure that it has no definite length. So 1 is correct, 2 is also correct, and 3 number is not correct. So my dear student, next question, that is 14 number. Draw a few right angle triangles. In each triangle, measure and add the angles other than the right angle. In each case, what is the sum of the three angles? So I will show you three triangles, and I want to find out the sum of the three angles of each of the triangle. So this is the solution. A few right angle triangles are drawn below. These are the three angles. At first I will discuss about triangle ABC. As you can see, in triangle ABC, angle B equals to one right angle. The other two angles are angle C equals to 45 degree and angle A equals to 45 degree. Now, if we add them, we will get 90 degree, my dear students. And the sum of the three angles, it would be angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to totally 180 degree. So the sum of the three angles, that is 180 degree. So this is the figure number 1, that means triangle ABC, and if we add them, all the angles of this triangle, we get 180 degree. That is, the question is asking the sum of the three angles we have to find out. So 180 degree is the sum of the three angles. Now, this is the second figure we will discuss, that is triangle DEF. In triangle DEF, angle E equals to one right angle and other two angles are angle D equals to 42 degree, as you can see, and angle F equals to 48 degree, as you can see. And if we make them sum, we get totally 90 degree. And the sum of the three angles, that would be angle D plus angle E plus angle F, that would be 180 degree. So already we got this. So this is question number 14, my dear students, and we are discussing about the second triangle DEF. And after joining this, after adding these two angles, we get 90 degree, and the sum of the total three angles, that would be 180 degree, we are going to desire. Now, my dear students, the last figure, that is the another triangle, that is PQR. Again, In triangle PQR, angle Q equals to one right angle and other two angles are angle P equals to 30 degree, angle R equals to 60 degree. Now, if we add them, we will get 90 degree. And the sum of the three angles, that is angle P plus angle Q plus angle R, that would be 180 degree. So my dear students, from this third figure, triangle PQR, we have to find out at first that angle P and angle R, that would be 90 degree. If we add them, and the sum of the total three angles, that would be 180 degree. Now my dear students, summary of today's lesson. So an acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. An obtuse angle has a measurement greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. A triangle having all the three angles acute is acute angle triangle. And we have solved all the MCQ from exercise 6.2. So these are the important things that I want to remember you, and that's why this is the summary of today's lesson. Now, my dear students, OSW number 60, you have to do from exercise 6.2, math number 15.